Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Ghast from Minecraft. First, we're going to get started with the eyes. So on both sides, we're going to curve a line that comes down and then out towards the side. On each side now, we're going to curve this line up and then over. Moving underneath that line, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, bringing that around and then back up towards the top. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in a small oval, arching that in, and then we'll do the same as we move over on the right. Now from here, let's draw the fire coming out of the mouth. So we're going to come down below our right eye, and we're going to curve this line around and then over. And then on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line back down towards the bottom, ending this at roughly the same height on a diagonal. Now on the top, let's curve this line up. And then we're going to do the same as we come out on the bottom. On the top now, let's arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line around and then back in, connecting that together. Let's step further, and now we're going to replicate that shape. So we're going to curve this line down on the left, and then we'll do the same coming down on the right. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line up. We'll do the same on the bottom, just curving that further out. And then now from here, we're going to close this off with another arch line. Let's move down, replicating that, so leaving a gap as we move down, curving this line down on the top. We'll do the same, moving down on the bottom. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line over. And then again, just closing this off with a nice big arch line. Now in the middle, let's arch this line around. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming up above, we're going to arch this line up and then back down on the right. And then from here, we're just going to curve this mouth in on the bottom. Now let's draw in the shape of the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a slight curved line, bringing that up past our eyes. Again, we're going to draw in another curved line, bringing this up and over on the right. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line all the way down towards the bottom. From here, at that point, we're going to curve this line in towards the fire. Let's draw in the back now. So we're going to curve this line again across as we come out on a diagonal. We'll do the same on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line over again, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the top, let's bring this line down. Now on the right, we're going to draw in a rectangle. Again, moving over, let's draw in a square. Let's move down, drawing in another rectangle. Let's move across, drawing in a rectangle on the side. And then from here, we're going to draw in a rectangle that comes out on the front, connecting that together. Let's come over on the left-hand side. We're going to draw in a rectangle on the top. And then moving down again one more time, let's replicate that. Now let's draw in the legs. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then moving further across, let's replicate that, ending that at the same distance. We're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Let's bring this line across on the bottom. And then from here, let's curve this line back up towards the fire. Now stepping over, we're going to curve this line out. Let's move across, replicating that. And then we're going to do that one more time. Now let's connect this together on the side and the front. Again, let's move over, curving this line out. Moving across, let's replicate that. And then again, one more time as we move over. We're going to close this off with a diagonal line. And then we'll do the same on the front. Now let's move over, curving this line out. We'll do the same, stepping across. And then again, one more time. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming up. And then again, we're just going to bring this line across. And that is it. That's how you draw Ghast from Minecraft. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.